Hi guys, so join me for a lap of Blyton Park. Lovely sunny day, coming now into the last sets of corners, through Ushers, and then into the final corner of Twickers where you cross the start finish line as well. Bit of a straight here up into Jocken. Now this part of the track you want to stick to the middle of the road, and then you've got a really late apex. So again, trail braking, balance the weight over the front of the car, ride these curbs on exit, and then let the car drift out to the right hand side. We've got another straight here, and then a really heavy braking zone into the wiggler. So we're into fourth gear, getting ready for the braking zone, slam on the brakes, trail brake into the left, ride the curbs, let the car drift over to the left again, then back out to the right, another straight, sticking third, pop up to fourth, heading up to Bishops, heavy braking zone again, but you want to carry a lot of speed through here, and then the best corner on the track, which is Bunga Bunga. Late apex once again, you're heading right up to the blue cone there, late apex round, pull the car back over to the left hand side, parallel with the orange curve here on the left, slight lift off the gas, turn it in through the chicane of Port Freud, keep the car over to the right hand side, and you're coming in at an angle, heavy braking zone into Ushers. Again, carry a lot of speed through here, but you want to bring the car back over to the right hand side, parallel up, heavy braking zone again into Twickers, and that is a lap of Blyton Park.